Welcome to Lingua Latina Chapter 6, Lesson 1. In this picture at the very beginning, we see the city of Rome, and we see two roads leading to the southeast of Rome, and out of the Porta Capena, one of the largest and most used gates going out of Rome. And you can see over here in the margin a picture of what the gate may have looked like. A murus, which is the wall, and then the porta, the gate itself. The two roads were the Via Latina and the Via Appia, the Appian Way and the Latin Way. The Latin road went by the city of Tusculum, which will be important to our stories. And here we see on the other side of the road from Tusculum, we see the Villa that we're going to be reading about. So follow along with me as we read the Latin. Via Latina. In Italia multae et magnae viae sunt. Via Appia, Via Latina, Via Flaminia, Via Aurelia, Via Aemilia. Via Appia est inter Romam et Brundisium. Via Latina inter Romam et Capuam. Via Flaminia inter Romam et Ariminum. Via Aurelia inter Romam et Genuam. Via Aemilia inter Ariminum et Placentiam. Brundisium, Capua, Ariminum, Genua, Placentia, Ostia, magna oppida sunt. Ubi est Ostia? Ostia est prope Romam. Tusculum quoque prope Romam est. Brundisium non est prope Romam, sed procul ab Roma. Via Appia longa est. Via Latina non tam longa est quam via Appia. Quam longa est Via Flaminia? Neque ea tam longa est quam Via Appia. Tiberis fluvius non tam longus est quam fluvius Padus. Okay, a long paragraph. Let's go back and look at what it means. We have in Italy there are many large roads. There's a grammatical or a rhetorical construction where you have an and between two adjectives like many and great, and in English we just translate that as many great. Otherwise you could say in Italy there are many and great and very large roads. But in good English, in Italy there are many large roads. The Via Appia, or the Appian Way, the Latin Way, the Flaminian Way, the Aurelian Way, and the Aemilian Way. The Appian Way is between Rome and Brindisi. Inter, here in the margin we see, inter is a preposition, and it takes the accusative, Romam et Brundisium. Every time you have a word, just like in, the word in takes the ablative when you're in a place, like in Italia. Here we have inter takes the accusative. The Via Latina is between Rome and Capua. The Via Flaminia is between Rome and Ariminum. The Via Aurelia is between Rome and Genoa. And the Via Aemilia is between Ariminum and Placentia. Brindisi, Capua, Ariminum, Genoa, and Placentia and Ostia are oppida magna, are large towns. Ubi es Ostia? Where is Ostia? Ostia is near Rome. Tusculum is also near Rome. Brindisi is not near Rome, but far from Rome. The Via Appia is long. The Via Latina is not as long as the Via Appia. This is how you say it's not as long as. Non tam longa, no, not so long, est is quam Via Appia, as the Via Appia. It is not so long as the Via Appia. How long is the Via Flaminia? Not as long as the Via Appia. Okay, we've run out of time, so try reading through the rest of that on your own, and let's go to the exercises.